Hey, all lovely people. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Wish. How are you? I hope you all are doing good and are safe. So, today I'm going to review about this my favorite hair oil from Sen Botanica. It's called Moroccan Argan Hair Oil. As the name says it all, this is the best thing you can ever give to your hair. And guys, I'm telling you, this is my already third bottle. As you can see here, I have already three bottles here because this has become my absolute need because it is just the best thing you can give to your hair. Few days back, the condition of my hair was really bad, and I came to know about this. It actually not only reduced my hair fall, but also the texture of the hair has improved a lot because of this. Because of this, though all thing depends on the condition of your hair, and it's just the best thing that has happened to my hair. You can see the tearing this is my first bottle, as you can see from the condition. And recently I bought the third bottle from the Nika Pink Friday sale, and I got it for 5.99 only. The MRP is though of 1199. Yeah, the it's 669. Oh my god, it has reduced. This is the recent bottle, and they have also changed the name of it. As you can see on this bottle, it is written hair growth oil, and the latest one which I have ordered, it's just Moroccan argan hair oil. I don't know for what reason they have changed the packing and the name. See, you can see on two bottles, this is hair growth oil, and the recent one that I ordered is just written hair oil. And also the price has changed. The price of the old bottle is, you can see, 1199. That was quite expensive. Now the price has become, you can see, 669. I mean, that's a lot of difference. That's a huge difference. So coming to the ingredients, as you can see, it is Moroccan argan hair growth oil, bioactive complete hair care oil for all hair types, with goodness of organic argan oil and golden virgin jojoba oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, rosemary oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E, extracts of amla, bringraj, oh that's cool, shikakai, brahmi, and ashwagandha. What else do you want for your hair, guys? I mean, uh I'm not telling you it's just like that. This is an honest review. That's why I have put up my all the old two bottles also, just to make you know that I really believe in this oil. I have tried it myself, and that's why I'm giving this review that might help somebody who is going through a bad hair condition, because it's a really good oil. You can at least give it a shot, guys. Give it a go. From Beauty Wish advises you completely for this trial of this oil. At least give it a shot, guys. Give it a one try. How to use, right? Apply a generous amount of oil on your scalp and hair massage in circular motion. Leave on for at least 1 hour before wash, or overnight. I haven't left it overnight because they say that opens your pores of the hair. So I just leave it for half an hour or 1 hour, because we always stay in hurry, right? For with our own stuff. You can at least leave it for half an hour or for 1 hour. Now, ingredients I have already mentioned, and recommendation. Yeah, it's written that it should be used on daily basis for best and noticeable result. Daily basis I can't say, but yeah, at least twice a week you can try this. Like at least twice a week I do that, because can't apply oil daily, and we don't have that much time in this today's fast life. So you can apply it at least twice a week, or once a week for really busy people. So this is my review for Moroccan Argan Hair Oil from Sen Botanica. And guys, please give it a shot. It's an amazing hair oil. And please, it's not in sponsored video. I have tried it myself. That's why only I'm giving this review to you, and it's a completely honest review. And please like, share and subscribe my video, my channel, and motivate us to record more videos and give you the best honest reviews of the products. Please tell me what all reviews you would like to hear, or you would like to know about from of the products. What all would you like to hear? So let me know about it. Thank you, and have a nice day.